Let's make tandoori bang bang shrimp. Season some raw uncooked shrimp with red chili powder, cayenne powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, lime juice, and rub it all in. Marinate for a few minutes, then dip it in starch on both sides. Fry it in hot oil until it's crispy, then transfer to a wire rack to let it cool. Now discard most of the frying liquid so you only have a little left. Add in some tandoori spice and let that sizzle in the heat. Add honey, lime juice, and mix it all together. Then transfer that to a bowl with some mayonnaise. Mix that together, add salt and lime juice. Get everything combined, and there's your bang bang sauce. Toss in your shrimp, and then I served it with some butter lettuce, some mango pico, and a little dollop of jasmine rice. Enjoy!